What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping, and we back with another video. But before we jump into this video, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down in the comment section, share with your friends, you know, all that good stuff. But with that being said, man, I hope y'all like this video right here. We actually gonna be doing an unboxing on the new TPOB X clipper. I was gonna say something else, but I forgot what I was gonna say. So yeah, as you can see, we got the Candy TPOB X clipper. Let's get into this video. Let's go. All right, guys, so once again, as y'all can see, we have the TPOB X clipper, the Candy edition. We're gonna be unboxing this, and I'm gonna be showing y'all a couple clips of me using this, and at the end of the video, I'm actually gonna be giving y'all my initial thoughts on this clipper right here. But let's go ahead and check out this box before we actually unbox this clipper. Check it out. We do got the XO blade that it comes with right here, as y'all can see. Nice looking box, man. TPOB is stepping his game up. He's been working, man. Shout out to the man TPOB. But I just want to say this real quick. If you are interested in his tools, you can go to his website, thepissedoffbarber.com, and use my discount code TANK. I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't know if it's Tank or Tank10, but use both of those codes, or matter of fact, I'll put a discount code down on the screen and in the description of this video. That way, if you wanna purchase anything off his website, you can, and you can use my discount code. But like I was saying, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this actual clipper. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into unboxing the TPOB X, the Candy edition. As you can see right here, we got 210 minutes of runtime, all metal body, XO graphene blade, 6,800 RPM brushless motor, and then as y'all can see right here, we got the TPOB X clipper with the charging dock. So obviously it comes with a charging dock, right? But let's go ahead and open this thing up. So check that out, man. Y'all see TPOB always has the nice cartoon things on his box. That looks super, super dope. You know what I just noticed? Do y'all see that right there? Y'all check that out, man. This dude's crazy. But nonetheless, man, let's go ahead into unboxing this clipper. All right, so as you can see, we do get the TPOB manual right here. Instruction manual, you know, we never really use these, so we're gonna chunk that to the side. And then we also get a box for accessories, the clipper and the charging dock. Let's go ahead and take the charging dock out. So check it out, here is the charging dock to the TPOB X Candy. That nice pink color, that the colorway that he's rocking with on this clipper. Let's put that right there. Let's go ahead and get the clipper out of here. We got a blade cover, let's move that to the side. But as you can see, here is the TPOB X clipper with the XO blade on there. We do have a click lever on the clipper. Overall, nice looking clipper, man. Like I'm liking the pink, liking the branding right here. You know, as y'all can see in black, the TPOB. The blade is like a chameleon style blade, chameleon color blade. Nonetheless, nice looking blade. Let me go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So it's got a nice hum to it. Actually sounds really good, man. Actually sounds really good. But once again, we have the TPOB X branding. We got the X down here. Click lever, as y'all can hear. We got a groove for the ergonomic, you know, the ergonomics of the clipper, and then we got some grooves in the back. That way we can hold the clipper the way we want. But let's go ahead and put this on the charging dock for the time being. And then let's see what else comes in this box. So we also get this little box of accessories here, as y'all can see. But let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, so we do get some guards. We do get some nice pink guards. Looks like some premium guards. Let me go ahead and open this up for y'all. And I don't know why I'm acting like I haven't already opened this. I've already opened it and put it to use. I just wanted to put everything back in the box and unbox it for y'all on camera. But nonetheless, man, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all these guards. So we do have the TPOB guards right here. As you can see, this is the #1 guard. Premium style guards look nice. They're not too hard and they're not too soft either. Sometimes guards are like really flimsy, but I don't feel that these are flimsy at all. Pretty good overall guards in my opinion. So let's go ahead and throw this back in there and then show you what else comes in this box. So we also get the screwdriver, as y'all can see. We get the USB charging cord. We got a brick in here, and I know we got the American style plug. I don't know if that was, if that's standard with the tools or if he just threw that in there for your boy. And then we get one of these little brushes that we don't ever use, and then we get some oil also. I don't think we get anything under this. Yeah, nah, we don't get anything under that. So all in all, what comes in the box is we have the TPOB-X clipper, the candy edition. We do get the charging dock, as y'all see here. We also get some TPOB premium guards. I'm assuming 1 through 6, maybe 1 through 8. I don't remember if it was 1 through 6 or 1 through 8. So we get some nice TPOB guards, the number half all the way up to the number 6. And then we also get some oil, charging cord, charging plug, and we also get the screwdriver here. All right, so once again, here's all the stuff that we do get. Take out these guards real quick to show you all these guards. So once again, we got some nice guards in here. All right, guys, check it out. Your boy's gonna need your help. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to win Content Creator of the Year at the Barber Grammys this year at CT Barber Expo, and I'm gonna need y'all's help. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna need y'all to vote for your boy. You already know your boy be dropping fire content from tutorials, unboxings, clipper reviews, interviewing barbers and influencers at events, or just straight dropping gems. So if you found any of my content valuable, please do me that favor and vote for your boy for Content Creator of the Year for the Barber Grammys at ctbarberexpo.com. I greatly appreciate it, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys, so as you see in the video, your boy was putting to use the TPOB-X clipper, the candy edition. And off the jump, I want to say, well, let me go ahead and turn this on for y'all one more time in case y'all didn't hear earlier on in the video. So as y'all can hear, he's got a super quiet hum to it. Nice hum. It's got some nice clicks on the lever. Gonna be honest with y'all, not the best feeling clicks, and that's like some bougie stuff, right? Like, who really thinks about the clicks feeling a certain way? But I'm bougie when it comes to the stuff I use. Not the best feeling clicks, but overall still some good clicks on there. Super quiet motor. We got the TPOB branding right here. As you can see, we got the X on and off light right here. I don't know if y'all can see that due to the glare. charging port down here, and then we got like a chameleon style blade on the clipper. Once again, guys, the clipper did come with a charging dock. As you can see here, it came with the USB plug to plug it into the wall, and then we also got these TPOB guards. But let's go ahead and jump back into talking about the clipper. All right, guys, so I use this thing on a couple haircuts, and I'm gonna try to be as honest with y'all as I possibly can. All in all, I would say it is a good tool. But I don't think it's his best tool. You know what I'm saying? Like TPOB has some great tools, right? But me personally, I like the XO a little better. I feel that the power and the way, you know, the XO cuts and fades is better, but I think the XO is a more premium style clipper, right? But I'm not saying this one's bad. I'm just saying me personally, I like the XO better, but the X, still a good tool. It did do what I needed to do. It did debulk well, did blend well. As I saw in the video, your boy was rocking with it, did a nice haircut with it, and I really enjoyed using it. Now, I'm really not the biggest fan of the ergonomics of this style of clipper. It takes a little getting used to. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a little bulkier than some of the clippers that I have on my station right now. So once again, it is a little difficult to get used to. Maybe like the first 2 or 3 haircuts feel a little weird, but once you get over that, I think, you know, I really have an issue once I got past the initial feel of this clipper, and then once you get past it feeling weird, it feels pretty comfortable. But once again, we do have a thumb groove right here, and we do have some grooves in the back, that way you can place your fingers, that way it can fit a little more comfortably in the hand. We have the on and off switch on the side of the clipper, and then once again, guys, like I said, we have these guards. Now, the guards ain't bad. You know, they feel pretty premium. They're not too sturdy, and they're not too soft either, or too weak feeling. Like, they feel good. My biggest issue was the half guard. I really didn't like his half guard. And once again, that's not saying that it's a bad half guard. It just wasn't my preference. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I enjoy using the Babyliss half guard, and that's just me. Everyone is gonna have their own preference when it comes to using certain tools, certain guards, certain combs, or whatever. And me personally, I wasn't a big fan of his half guard. But other than that, I felt that all the guards blended really well to each other. You know, the one blended into the 1.5, which blended into the 2, which blended into the 3, and so on and so on. It was just the only thing that was my biggest issue was the half guard blending into the 1. And once again, it wasn't like a super big issue. As you've seen in the video, I still got the blend done with this half guard and this 1, but it was just a little more difficult. It didn't blend as easily as it would normally blend if I was using other guards, but nonetheless, still some good guards. Just something you may have to get used to if you're not used to using these guards. Now, the clipper does have a 210-minute runtime. That is a good amount of time. However, I didn't have this clipper down on me throughout the day. Like, obviously, I didn't use it like continuously the whole day. When I was done with it, I put it on the charging dock, and I really didn't have to worry about charging it. But that's a good thing about clippers that come with charging docks. When you're done using them, you can just place them on the dock and let them charge while you're using the edge up or doing the razor or whatever you're doing, right? So, you know, the fact that it comes with a charging dock is, I think, is good in my opinion. And it is a pretty premium feeling charging dock. It doesn't feel too cheap. Nicely made, if I do say so myself. As you can see, we do have the TPOB branding right here, and in the back is where you would connect the charging cable. And then at the bottom, we have like these little non-slip type things that he has on there. That way it doesn't slip on your station. But all in all, guys, once again, I would say that this clipper is a good all-around clipper. Once again, it's not my personal favorite from TPOB, but still, nonetheless, a good tool. And I'm not even sure what the price is on this compared to the price on the XO. So maybe that's why the XO is better. Maybe the XO is at a higher price. So if it's at a higher price, I'll make sure to let y'all know on the screen so y'all can see the comparison. And that may be the reason why that one is better than this one. If it's a higher price, it's probably a more premium or powerful clipper, right? But nonetheless, still a good tool. If you think you would like this style of clippers, you know, a little more bulkier than normal, I would say give this clipper a shot. You know what I'm saying? Once again, not sure on the price, but I will put the price on the screen for y'all. Also, once again, you can use my discount code. I'll put the discount code here on the screen and in the description. That way, if you want to purchase this tool, you can, and you can use my discount code to save you some money. But all in all, guys, that's basically it for this video. The video of the TPOB X Candy Clipper. I enjoyed using it. Once again, I really didn't have any issue with the clipper's performance. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.